Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw me, Bubba. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're gonna draw my head. So we're gonna draw a big U shape like this. Next, we're gonna come up top and draw my hair. So over here on the side, we're gonna draw 2 lines, and then a rounded shape like this. Perfect. Next, we come over and do the big swoosh for my hair and close that shape off. Now we add some ears, one right here, one right here. We'll add some ear detail, and then we'll do my eyes. One eye right there, and then 2 pupils looking to the side. Perfect. Couple of eyebrows, a nose. Now my glasses, we're gonna do 2 big circles around my eyes. The little bar up top, and then 2 lines back to my ears. Now let's give me a big smile and an open mouth. Put a tongue right there and then fill the mouth in. Now we can do the little hairs on my face. And then a neck, which is just 2 lines down like this. We'll give a little shadow right there underneath my chin. And now let's draw my shirt. We'll draw rounded lines there, and then a curved line all the way down like that. We'll do another line to separate my arm from my body. And then we'll do another arm right here. We'll stop. So we can have this one come up. We'll do a rounded line at the end. Back, my elbow, back in. And then we'll draw my body right there. Perfect. Okay, let's give me a hand. We'll do a curved line like that for my thumb. And then a few rounded shapes for my fingers. Then next, we're gonna put a marker in my hand. So we'll put a rounded shape like that with the black marker end. Right there, perfect. Next, we're going to give my shirt some stripes. So we'll do some stripes all the way down like this. We'll put them down on my sleeve, and then down on my body, and down this arm too. Perfect. Let's fill just a few of them in. We'll start up top like this, then right here, right here, do this sleeve, come back down to my shirt, perfect. And then we'll write Bubba, B-U-B-B-A. Perfect. And that's me. Yeah. You did a really good job following along with me today. I'm so proud of you. I hope you'll come back and draw more characters with me soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!